What's up, everybody? It's your boy Rick Parma, and I'm here to talk about the gears of the voice. This is my interpretation of what the voice is. There's a lot of different terms out there, but I want to break it down for you so simply that no matter who you listen to, you can easily identify what is happening in their voice, okay? I look at the voice as an engine that has gears, okay? So I'm going to do a 3-minute tutorial on this is the 3 sections of the voice, the 3 gears of the voice. Here we go. Let's start the clock and bam. Okay, you have your low gear. This is all your low notes. Now, if you've never looked at music or if you've never looked at an EQ, you'll have I'm gonna do it from this side. This is your low notes, and then you have your mid notes, and then you have your high notes, okay? So your low notes are all over here, your mid notes are here, and then your high notes are over here. Gear 1 is over here. Gear 2 is over here. Gear 3 is over here, okay? The lower your notes, that's the first gear. The mid notes are your second gear, and your really high, ultra high notes like Mickey Mouse are your third gear. So now let me explain those. Your low notes, everybody has their bottom. Everybody has their lowest they could possibly go. Whether you're a girl, whether you're a guy, whether you're a soprano, whether you're a baritone, or you're a bass. Everybody has their lowest note they can start on, the lowest note they could possibly sing. Oh, that's like my lowest. Oh, or maybe I can go a little. Oh, but once I start going lower, I lose it. Now a bass person would drop way lower than that. Somebody with a really high voice would not be able to get that far down, but doesn't mean that they don't have their bottom floor. Everybody's bottom floor to say their mid-range is your gear 1 because it's resonating down in this area of the body, okay? Now, your second gear is anything that is like right here without any resonation down in your chest. It's all kind of in this area, okay? You don't feel any resonation down here. It's all here. Your talking voice, ha, ha, high notes, a lot of stuff like that. Ha, all that stuff is your gear 2, okay? Gear 3 is anything that sounds like Mickey Mouse. Ha! Now, as you can tell, I could start really high and I could bring it actually pretty low, but it's not going to go down to oh without having to switch gears, okay? This is why I say gears is your low notes are like your low speeds. You can drive pretty good in your low speeds, but once you want to get a little faster or higher in your notes, you have to transition into your next gear. That's gear 2. Well, now you're taking your gear 2 and you're trying to get as fast as you can. Once you get to the top speed of your second gear, you're going to need, if you want to keep going faster or higher, you're going to need to transition into your third gear, okay? So these are the 3 gears of the voice. It's very simple. Check out my next video. I'm going to show you how to manage these and how to see these in other people and how to listen for these. And it's going to really be awesome. I'm going to be breaking down stuff really simply for you guys. So peace. First 3rd minute video in the books.